Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we'll show you how to make a Katsu sandwich using the Katsu we made in our last recipe. The filling is simple, just Katsu soaked in a savory sauce. You can add lettuce or shredded cabbage if you like, but we're keeping it simple and authentic, similar to how it's made in the 70s and 80s. Mix ketchup and Worcestershire sauce in a plate. And coat the Katsu with the sauce. You can cook extra katsu for dinner for making sandwiches for the next day's lunch. Cut the katsu if needed to fit on a slice of bread, and make a sandwich with another slice of bread. Cut off the bread crust and cut the sandwich diagonally to make triangle pieces. If you liked our Katsu recipe, you should definitely try this simple and delicious sandwich.
美味しいね。